All right, let's get it, boys. Market's gonna open right now. So let's just see what happens today. Really, I mean, we've we've been freaking going. Hold up, there we go. Um, so we've really been moving up since like Monday, bro. If you can see that, like, yeah, Monday the 30th. So this is kind of insane. Um, but um. Sorry, boys, I've kind of lost my train of thought. Let me get it back. Okay, so we have this new day opening gap here as well. I mean, we're starting to see some move down action. You know what I mean? We have London session lows here. We also have this hourly and this hourly, plus this hourly with session lows here. These are relative equal lows here, so I mean, I'd like to see those get taken, but ideally, I'd probably just want to take a trade, um, long, like a long situation. I also have like 4 hour equilibrium here, but I mean, I I personally don't really see why like Nas wouldn't even or wouldn't want at least London session lows and maybe this hourly low. I think bare minimum that's what it should take, but the market doesn't have to do anything that you want. So it shouldn't have to do anything. I'm just looking to see what it does off of certain things, you know? That's kind of what I'm looking to do. But um so I mean, it's not like we don't have draws to the downside because we do personally. So I'm open to it, but at the same time, got to keep in mind, been moving up the last, what day is today? Ever since Monday. So the last like 3 days, we've literally just been moving up like insane amount. Um, so haven't really moved down at all. Um, yeah, so it's kind of what we are looking at right now. Um, but yeah, and so I do have 4 hour equilibrium marked out here on NASDAQ. Um, guess I can do the same thing with ES. It's just about lined up with right underneath this low, so I'll just keep that in mind. Um, 28, 179. Okay. But we gotta wait and see what we want to do. As is so close to these London session lows. Well, along with these hourly lows, but at least London session. Like, I want to see. I'm thinking it might want to manipulate some of this low resistance liquidity here and then maybe start moving down because look at this. You know what I mean? So potentially is filling orders here and then we see boom. And then, maybe we get an entry just to these lows or something. Wouldn't want to hold probably for like that long or at least be break even. But because like look, the new day opening gap is like this is love you. This is I mean we are currently respecting this hourly gap though. I'd like to see that get inverse to be able to target these lows, but we're gonna have to see right now, low key, because not gonna just take a trade to take a trade. Um, I don't mind this right now. We just gotta wait. Wait and watch. That's really it. I mean, so and then if we just want to say fuck this low, I mean, we could potentially have some sort of SMT action, but it looks like ES maybe sweeps these highs right now, low key. I'd like to maybe see ES grab those, and then if we can get some bearish confluences, like bro, could totally short to London lows on NAS just because how pretty close it is, but I don't know, man. We'll have to see. Ideally, I'd like it to take that out. It'd make me feel more comfortable because we could easily just come back down here, you know, without hitting it, and then to come back up and hit it, and then like I think I need ES to grab these before I try and enter NASDAQ. Yeah, bro. I don't know if the market will give us this, but it's just like a little idea, low key, because like if you think about it, like this is gonna stop a bunch of people out. Like this is the significant draw on liquidity right now, in my opinion, on the 5 minute. Like, because that takes out all this low resistance, bro. Like this is nice. Like this is really nice. We already took out like a bunch, but like I'd like it to. I really would like it to take this line. It like edged it. It's just higher time frame, bro. We're respecting this gap, bro. Like to even look for any shorts, I think I need to take this high out. So before we even do that, we can't we have to assume long. bro, these market conditions are difficult for me for the way I trade because bro, it's just hard to want to even like think about longs when we have this amount of draw and liquidity plus relative equal lows with a new day opening gap that hasn't even been like touched, bro. Really? Just like that's what's that's what's been making this shit hard, bro. Is just like not even market conditions. It's just trading all time highs is just a little different, especially because like just the way I trade, trading all time highs is like kind of difficult, man. So just doing this for fun. I was just looking at the different sizing. What's it called? Later. Um, what's it called? So low key, like I was just looking at the different sizing. Um, just for the heck of it, because I usually just trade micros, but Yeah, like this is. Yeah, bro. I mean, so. Rocking that tubing. Yeah, yeah. God, yeah, we've literally just been moving up. It's hard to want to short against something like that. But at the same time, bro, it's hard for me to want a long when we have, like, bro, these draws on liquidity, bro, is like, at least the way I trade, it's like, dude, they're, dude, like, what? No freaking way, we're this far away. Moving slow as shit right now, too. Oh, holy shit. Swept those lows on ES. I want to say that's the shit that's gonna. Have this 1 minute gap here on ES. I mean, gonna have to see what we want. First reward isn't the best, but I don't know, man. I mean, we inverse the gap. Like, this is what I want to take, but our R just isn't there necessarily. I'm just risking way more, bro. I can't. Like, bro. Damn, bro. Face card never decline. Damn, bro. Well, that shit already hit. Damn. Probably should have entered that, so that sucks. Mm, That was trade, bro. That was the trade. So, um, yeah. Um, Still have opportunity. That's all I'm gonna say. Um, I kind of wish I would have took that, but I'm not gonna get stuck on that. That's fine. Um, so still a lot of opportunity, bro. It was literally 9:58, so obviously not gonna force anything. So, that still hasn't hit these even, so could be SMT work. Never know. Could be some SMT work. There's still some opportunity for us to trade, I think. I don't think I was 100% confident in that trade, even though I really said I wanted these highs to get hit on ES, and that was a nice clean inverse. Um, probably should have entered that shit, but it is what it is. So, yeah, not tripping too hard about it. Um, not tripping too hard about it. Um, just want to see how much. That's about how much it would have if I would enter with 5 or 6. Okay, I mean that probably would have passed my eval, but that's chill. Mm, mm. So we're starting to see a little move down here on NAS, but ES is still literally moving up, so we would have to see confirmation of ES actually moving down. Um, yeah, because this could easily be NAS is coming down here. Maybe wants to sweep this again, but even then, I don't think. It might, and then we just move, literally just move higher, and then ES bull runs up more to up here at least. Broke structure to the downside. Same thing on ES. That's 1 minute. Um, I genuinely gotta get off Instagram, gang. But God, I have to get off Instagram. See, I hate that sometimes. It's like NQ there, and then it doesn't. Like, bro, really? Like, you know? We're pushing now, brother. Did we broke on NQ? So on MNQ, like I need to see 5 minute retrace. Gotta see a 5 minute retrace, which is either like to see a 1 minute break of structure. It's just we also gotta think, bro. Bro, it's hard to long or short when we're still in like an hourly gap. Getting like notifications about how I need to go to the freaking Hyundai shop. Okay, just just got a 1 minute break. We wait for a 5 minute retrace, obviously, because that would have stopped us out. But yeah, we gotta see what we want to do. It's starting to get a little late, but we got to see. We've gotta see. Now we're just bull running. Mondo S&T work. SMT work. There's probably a 30-second FEG in here. People may have maybe took that and they're targeting this draw. Or there might be like a 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, it just hit the hourly, so. Then comes Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Dude, we just keep respecting bullish PD raise, so I think the move is gonna be up. To be honest, I don't think shorts is a possibility anymore because we literally just keep respecting bullish confluences. But I mean, maybe not. Maybe we'll. Uh, so maybe I'm literally just. This isn't even the best price either. It's kind of moving slow. Like we're not really getting. It's not bad price action, but it's just simply we're just not. We just haven't moved a lot, is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Mm. We're in this 1 minute gap. Mm. Just the way you are, the way you kiss me. Dude, freaking neck hurts. Bro, I slept so good last night though. Holy shit. Mm. Yes, just took those out, I think. Or no, it made equal. So those are equal highs. So mm, yeah, we gotta hit this, bro. There's no way ES leaves that. I mean, it actually may have taken it. Holy shit. Bro, this is what we've been doing every freaking morning, bro. Boom, boom, boom. Bro, we just inverse that shit. Really? Did we really? We just inverse that shit. Bro, but it took 6 candles, bro. Ew. Nas left. I think these are equal, bro. Oh my lord. Dude, this shit is like, bro, cause I've been wanting, like, I was gonna short if we inverse this, but like, bro, it took 6, maybe 7 candles, I don't even know, to inverse that shit. But then we got a clean, like, bro, it's like, I don't see a world. I mean, I do, anything can happen, but like, bro, why would we, like, bro, we made triple equal highs. Literally triple equal highs on ES. No way we don't take those. Plus NAS, we have equal highs up here. Like, bruh. Dude. And we're freaking pushing right now, bro. Like, was that the entry we needed or what? Because the only reason I didn't enter that is because it took us, like I said, that many candles to freaking inverse that shit. Plus the equal highs and shit. And then triple highs on ES. So, and recently what the market has been doing, like I said, is like, boom, just literally higher highs and um like a higher high and then a lower high, bro. Literally every morning, bro. It's been doing this shit. Like, bro, I could literally show you. Okay, well, fuck it. Went all the way back over there, but anyway. Kind of monitoring this gap potentially. PB Blake made some money. Bro, like we're just not moving. Just, like we're moving slow, bro. Like this ain't even great. Like, bro, what are we doing? Like we're just staying in this range. It's like, bro, how do I trade this shit? Mm, let's go. I want to just the way you are. I mean, that potentially could have been our shorts entry, to be honest here, but I didn't trust that shit. One, two, three, four, five, six candles. Mm. And then ES is still all the way up here. Like, I can't short that shit. There's no way, bro. Alright. I think ES finally took that shit. Bro, stop. Oh my. No fucking way. Okay. There you go. Yes, finally just took these highs, bro. And we're definitely seeing a rejection off that. Just the way you are. I like the way you kiss me. Just the way you are. I mean, this is going to be the gap. That's the crucial pivoting point, I think, for us. Want to see if we'll inverse this, bro. This is the gap. Just a fat stop, bro. That's not even a good RR either. Once again, not a good risk to reward. But We're gonna have to see, bro. Uh, I don't know, brother. Hold up. Forgot how much I can use on this firm. Uh, tch- oh shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like the way you kiss me, just the way you want. It's a 15-minute. Mm. See if we can close for the 1 minute, bro. Um, Wait for this 5 minute gap, broski. Damn. Think the 5 minutes about to close too. Okay, I mean we're pushing back up a little bit. Uh, ugh, brother, I don't know, man. Did I turn the screen back on? Okay, I did. Bro, I mean, dude, I, nah, I don't need to take nothing. It's 10:30, bro. I think I just need to hop off, to be honest. Didn't take any trades today. Um, you know, I had that potential trade. I honestly was just not scared to enter, but I wasn't super confident in this just because we were pretty close in the market open. So, yeah, I mean, it would have hit, but I'd rather have a little more conviction. But whoever took that, that's fire. Um, yeah, that was like really, that was probably either trade of day or not trade of day, but yeah, that was fire. Good session. No trades for me. Uh, I mean, we're not even moving that good anyway, so ES is moving up, but um, yeah, it's just I'd personally. Um, like NQ was really just consolidating this whole time, so it wasn't really delivering in my opinion. Because we have this hourly that I was maybe expecting if we don't want to short that we will respect this and push higher, bro. But and then ES like we are not delivering off this imbalance. We didn't even wick into it, so you know didn't love it. But anyways, yeah, probably should hop off here. Um, yeah, I mean it's 10:32. I mean I still kind of see some potential in this to get to at least these highs here. Not the best risk reward, but we also put in a new 5 minute low that I could, but still probably rather under that, which makes it still not the best risk reward. So yeah, anyways, love y'all boys, and we're gonna get off. Peace.